Hi you guys, we're going to go ahead and review the homework that you did yesterday on the Google Slides. So the direction says use the bar graph to answer the questions below. This is actually a picture graph, so it should have said use the picture graph to answer the questions below. That was Miss Ledbetter's oops. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the picture graph. It says each shoot is worth 2 laps. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out what each person ran. So Marshall, he had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm going to mark that over here. Okay, the next person is Austin. Austin ran 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 laps as well. Then I have Perry. Perry ran 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. William ran 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And Caleb ran 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 laps. So now this will help me answer my questions. First question says, how many laps is each shoe worth? Oh, well, it's right there in our key. So each shoe is worth 2 laps. Okay. How many more laps did Marshall run than William? So I need to figure out what Marshall ran. Marshall ran 16. And it says than William. Well, William ran 12. So I'm going to do some subtraction. We got 16 minus 12. I know 6 minus 2 is 4. And 10 minus 10 is 0. So Marshall ran 4 more laps than William. And if you look at the graph, William, who is right here, okay, this is Marshall. Marshall ran 2, 4. 4 more laps. All right, who did the least laps? How many laps did they run? So let's go look at which number is the least. 12 is the least. So who did the least laps? Well, 12 belongs to William. So William. But there was 2 questions. It says, how many laps did they run? 12 laps. So this was a 2-question problem, and there's my 2 answers. How many laps were run all together? All right, so now I got to go add my laps. So I have 16. I'm going to do this on the back. I have 10 plus 6. I'm going to do expanded form. 10 plus 6. Then I have 14, 12, 14. 14, 12, 12, and 14 again. So I'm going to add all these. We have, I know 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Then I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well, 50 plus 22 is 72 laps. Now to check my answer, I could go skip count all these. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. Same answer right there. So how many laps were run all together? 72 laps. There is the homework from yesterday, so you can go back and check your Google Slides. Make sure you have the correct answers. If you have questions about homework, don't forget, catch me on Zoom in the morning from 10 to 11 and in the afternoon from 2 to 3. Thanks.